Hi, today I'm going to read the book One by Catherine Otashi. Raise your hand if anyone has heard this book before. Carlos? Okay. All right. Let's see if it's the same as you remember it. Blue was a quiet color. He enjoyed looking up at the sky, floating on the waves, and on days he felt daring splashing in the rain puddles. Every once in a while he wished he could be more sunny like yellow, or bright like green, more regal like purple, or outgoing like orange. But overall he liked being blue, except when he was with Red. Red was hot-headed. He liked to pick up on Blue. Red is a great color, he'd say. Red is hot, blue is not. Now, when it says Red is a hothead, what do you think that means? Right, he gets mad real quick. He just doesn't think. He just goes right to 1 to 10, right? He gets super mad without calming down. Okay. Then Blue would feel bad about being blue. Sometimes Yellow confronted Blue. Blue's a very nice color, she'd say. But Yellow never said that in front of Red. She never said, "Stop picking on Blue." Green, purple, and orange thought Blue was nice too. But they never told Red to stop either. Every time Red said something mean and no one spoke up, he got bigger and bigger and bigger. Look how big that is. Soon Red grew so big that everyone was afraid of him. No one dared to stop him. Red picked on all the colors. Then everyone felt a little blue. What do you think they mean by felt a little blue?
Anyone have a
Sad. Correct.
microphone amplifier that second grade could borrow for the field trip?
Until one came. He had a different shape with bold strokes and squared corners. He was funny. He made all the colors laugh. Red saw this and got very hot. "Stop laughing," he told Yellow. "Stop laughing," he told Green. "Stop laughing," he told Purple and Orange. And guess what? They all did. Red rolled up to one. "Stop laughing," he told him. But one stood up straight like an arrow and said, "No." Red was mad, but one wouldn't budge. So Red rolled away. One turned to the colors and said, "If someone is mean and picks on me, I, for one, stand up and say no." Then Yellow felt brave and said, "Me too." Green agreed and said, "Me 3. Then Purple became 4 and Orange became 5. Blue saw the colors change and he wanted to count. Red grew real hot. He felt left out. He grew hotter and hotter and hotter. Red raced over to Blue and said what he always did: "Red is hot, blue is not." But this time Blue stood up tall and became 6. "Red can be really hot," he said, "but Blue can be super cool." Red blew a fuse and tried to roll over Blue. See? Remember, Blue turned into 6? But everyone took a stand and said no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Seeing them stand tall made Red feel very, very, very small. Then Red turned even redder and began to roll away. Blue called out, "Red can be hot and Blue can be cool." Red stopped in his tracks. "Red can count too," said one. Red rocked and rolled and turned into 7. Good job. "Everyone counts," they shouted. Then Red laughed and joined the fun. Sometimes it just takes one. Now, what do you think that means? Sometimes it just takes one. It only takes one person to stand up to a bully or stand up to some injustice. If someone is not sharing, if someone is calling names, if someone is just being plain mean. It only takes one brave one of you to stand up and say, we don't do that here. We don't bully. Okay? This is a bully-free zone. We're all friends. We can all get along. We can all share. So, thanks for listening. I hope you enjoyed. Have a good one.